In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and activate a new WordPress theme. Whether you're refreshing your site's look or installing a theme for a brand new site, this process is crucial for customizing your WordPress site's appearance. So let's dive into it step by step. First, let's start by downloading your WordPress theme. This usually comes in a .zip file format. Once you have your theme .zip file, you'll need to extract it. Extraction can be done easily on most operating systems by right-clicking on the file and selecting Extract or Unzip. What you want is the actual theme folder, which will be uploaded to your server shortly. So make sure you know where you've stored this unzipped folder on your computer. Next, you'll connect to your HostGator server by using an FTP client. In this video, we'll be using FileZilla. If you don't have it already, FileZilla is a free, reliable FTP tool available for both Windows and Mac. You'll need your FTP credentials, which include your host, username, and password to connect. Once you have those ready, open FileZilla and enter this information in the top fields, then hit Quick Connect. This establishes a connection between your local machine and your server. A key tip here is to double check your credentials if you run into any connection issues. Once you are connected, you'll want to navigate to a specific directory on your server. Over in FileZilla, find the area that shows your server's files. You'll want to look for the directory path, public HTML, WP, content/themes. This is where all your WordPress themes are stored. It might seem a little overwhelming if it's your first time seeing this, but don't worry, the path is straightforward and you're almost there. After you've located the themes directory, it's time to upload the extracted theme folder. On the left-hand side of FileZilla, find the folder you just unzipped and select it. Then drag and drop it into the themes directory we just navigated to on your server. You should see the progress of your file transferring at the bottom of FileZilla. Depending on the total size of your theme files and your internet speed, this transfer can take a few moments. Finally, with the theme uploaded to your server, let's wrap it up by activating it on your site. Log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Appearance on the left side menu, then click Themes. Here you'll see all the themes you have uploaded. Find your newly uploaded theme and go ahead and click Activate. Once activated, your site will be using this new theme, giving it a brand new look. That's